Hello and welcome to another video of Tech Made Easy. In this video, what we are going to see how we can integrate the form on your website that is built using Elementor and connect it to Newshandler's funnel. Now, in Elementor, you can build the form directly. You have the form widget here, but there is no direct way to connect it to the funnel available in your Newshandler website. Now, I have created some sample funnels here. So how we are going to connect this form with the funnel that is here, the three alarming things. This is the funnel that I want to connect it to my form. So for that, I'm going to use Integrately. Now Integrately is something similar to Zapier, but available at a much less cost. So if you don't know Integrately, you can just go to integrately.com. The link will be in this video's description and it's free to subscribe basically. So what we are going to do, first of all, I will go to my website. I have added a form here. I have 3 fields here. That doesn't matter at the moment. So I'll just click update here. So my form is ready. My funnel is ready inside Newshandler. If you don't know how to create a funnel inside Newshandler, that link is also added in this video's description. Now, what I'm going to do, I have already logged into integrately.com. Here, the first application that I'm going to search is Elementor Forms. And the second one is Newshandler. So this is what I want to connect, Elementor form with Newshandler's funnel. Now here, I have to select the action. So I have to select under when. So when is form is submitted in Elementor forms. And once the form is submitted, what we want to do? We want to subscribe that person to a funnel in Newshandler. Now click go. Here you can select the automation builder. Okay. So inside first step, that is when form is submitted in Elementor forms, we have to basically add the connection. We have to let Integrately know which Elementor form we are connecting it to. So click add connection here. So this is the webhook URL that you will get. So just copy it and go to your Elementor website. Select the form and on this left hand side, go to actions after submit. Here, click this plus icon and click webhook. Now another option will be visible here, which is webhook. So click webhook and whatever webhook you have just copied, paste it here and update it. That's it. Now what we need to do, basically, Integrately should know that this connection is working. So for that, what we have to do, we have to actually fill up this form. So let me just fill up this form. And message is just test. So I'll click send now. Alright. Now, if we come back to Integrately, what I need to do is click test connection. And here inside you can see that the data I had submitted using the form is appearing here. Great. So I'll just scroll down. Now the second step, subscribe to funnel in Newshandler. Here you need to select the connection that is already there. If you don't know how to connect Integrately with Newshandler, you need basically API key that is available inside your Newshandler settings. How to get that API key is also attached in this video. So here I'll just click funnel ID. Now whatever funnels I have already created inside Newshandler are visible here basically. So I need to select these 3 alarming things. Then name, I just have to select this name, email ID, email, and that's it. Rest of the data I'm not collecting. So I'll just click test here. So once I have done that, let me just go back to 3 alarming things and let's see whether the new lead has appeared here. So I'll click here and if I go to leads, you can see that a new, oh sorry, not this. You can see that I have just enrolled few seconds ago. Prathamesh enrolled in funnel 3 alarming things. And that's how you can connect your Elementor form with Newshandler's funnel. It's very easy to do, and you can just follow along with this video. Once you are done, you are happy that a lead is getting inserted inside Newshandler's funnel, just click test and go live, and done. Click here. Done. That's it. That's how you connect Elementor form with Newshandler's funnel. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and watch out for more such tech videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.